Too many categories and not enough space. Grids are great, but if you want to save space and keep your layout clean, a WooCommerce category carousel is a perfect solution. And in this video, I will show you how to create a fully responsive category slider using the advanced Category Carousel widget by XPRO. First, make sure you have both WooCommerce and XPRO Addons free plus Pro version installed, since this widget is part of the premium version. Now, here's what we're building: a clean, scrollable carousel ideal for modern WooCommerce store. We will create two types, one showing top trends and one displaying the brands we sell, where clicking on a brand shows its products. Let's recreate them. Search for the WooCommerce category slider and drag and drop it onto the template. By default, the carousel will pull in your latest categories. If you haven't added any categories yet, go to WordPress dashboard, products, categories. Here, create your categories, assign parent categories if needed, and upload an image for each one. Hit publish when done. Next, make sure your products are assigned to the correct categories. You can do this quickly using Quick Edit or while creating the products. If you need a full guide on adding products, check the link in the description. Now, refresh your page and your categories will appear in the carousel. Now we will start with the Curate tab. Under the Curate tab, use the Exclude option to hide any categories you don't want to show. Decide how categories should be ordered, by title, date, or last modified date, and whether the order should be descending Z to A or ascending A to Z. Enable this category with image if you only want to display categories that have image. Decide how many categories you want to display per page. Enable this Hide Empty option that hide the categories that have no products in it. Now onto the General section. The XPRO Carousel offers multiple layout options to choose from. Pick the layout that works best for your design. Set the image resolution from here. You can enable or disable the title, product count, description, shop button, and you can customize the button text here as well, or keep it minimal with title and product count only. The count will indicate how many products belong to each category. To make the entire category card clickable, enable full div clickable. It is very useful if you have disabled the button. Now in the carousel setting, control how many categories appear per row. With the margins, adjust the space between items. Enable the loop so carousel keeps rotating. The first category shows right after the last. Enable auto hide, keep everything aligned. Enable autoplay for carousel to move on its own and set its speed, and turn on navigation arrows or dots using these toggles. The Content tab is done, so now let's move on to the Style tab. In the General section, adjust the height of the images. From the Object for drop-down, select the option that best fits your images. You can add depth with the box shadow, and if you like, add borders. Feel free to play around with these settings. Add an overlay to your images for normal and hover states. The hover color appears when you move the mouse cursor on the image. Now onto the Content tab. Here set the horizontal and vertical alignment of your text. Tweak any other options as needed. Now, style the typography for your category titles, set the font, size, and color. Finally, let's style the navigation arrow. Select the layout for your arrows, adjust the icon size, background size, set its position, customize colors for normal and hover states. Add a border radius if you like. That's it, the top trends carousel is ready. Now time for the brand carousel, perfect for stores selling products from multiple brands. Dropping the product category carousel widget onto the template, set its settings. You can turn off the navigation labels too, just like I did, and keep it on autoplay. And just like that, our product category carousels are ready. Clean, interactive, and perfect for showcasing your categories. To make sure it looks great on mobile, switch to the mobile view and make any small adjustments. You can only edit those options that have these device icons right next to it. For the mobile, turning on the navigation labels, let's quickly customize it. Once everything looks perfect, hit publish and take a final look at your page. And that's it. That's how easily you can display your WooCommerce categories in a modern, scrollable, clickable carousel using the XPRO Woo Category Carousel widget. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.